Question number 1. Who is the current CEO of Google? In the options, Bill Gates, Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, Steve Jobs. And the right one is option B, Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai is an Indian-born American business executive. He is the CEO of Alphabet Inc. and its subsidiary Google. Question number 2. A computer cannot boot if it doesn't have the dash. In the options, loader, operating system, compiler, assembler. And the right one is option B, operating system. A computer cannot boot if it doesn't have an operating system. An operating system is the most critical piece of software in computer. Question number 3. HTML is an abbreviation for. In the options, high-tech markup language, hypertext markup language, high-tech meaningful language, hypertext markup link. And the right one is option B, hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. Question number 4. Kartarpur is located in which district? In the options, Narowal, Sialkot, Kasur, Lahore. And the right one is option A, Narowal. Kartarpur is a town located in the Tehsil Shakargarh, Narowal district in Punjab. Question number 5. What is the name of Greek goddess of victory? In the options, Jupiter, Nike, Adidas, Apollo. And the right one is option B, Nike. Nike is the Greek goddess of victory both in regards to war and friendly competition. Question number 6. What is the capital of Bhutan? In the options, Lima, Rangoon, Thimphu, Kathmandu. And the right one is option C, Thimphu. Thimphu, capital of Bhutan. The city is situated in the west central part of the country. Question number 7. What is the name of Russian currency? In the 4 options, lira, ruble, euro, dollar. And the right one is option B, Russian ruble. Russian ruble is the currency of Russia and its capital is Moscow. Question number 8. The old name of Jacobabad was. In the 4 options, Khanpur, Khanabad, Khangarh, Agra. And the right one is option C, Khangarh. It was founded in 1847 on the site of the village of Khangarh by General John Jacob, the district's first deputy commissioner. Question number 9. Kyoto Protocol is related to. In the 4 options, sea routes, air corridors, climate change, uranium usage. And the right one is option C, climate change. The Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty adopted in 1997 that aim to reduce the emission of gases that contribute to global warming. Question number 10. Which city connects 2 continents? In the options, Hawaii, Tbilisi, Sydney, Istanbul. And the right one is option D, Istanbul. Istanbul, the only city of the world which meets 2 continents, Europe and Asia. Question number 11. Bashai Masjid is in Lahore was built by? In the options, Akbar, Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Shah Jahan. And the right one is option B, Aurangzeb. The masjid was constructed by the 6th Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir. Question number 12. URL stands for? In the options, Uniform Resource Locator, Universal Reader Line, Uniform Requirement Location, Universal Resource Locator. And the right one is option A, Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is the address of unique resource on the internet. Question number 13. The test of atom bomb of Pakistan was conducted at? In the options, Thar, Pokhran, Chagi, Cholistan. And the right one is option C, Chagi. The tests were performed at Dras Ko Hills in the Chagi district of Balochistan province on 28 May 1998. Next question, what is the total area of Sindh province? In the four options, 149.14 square kilometer, 130.914 square kilometer, 140.814 square kilometer, 120.914 square kilometer. And the right one is option A, 140.914 square kilometer. Question number 15. The Wall Street is in? In the options, New York, Paris, London, Rome. And the right one is option A, New York. Wall Street in New York City is renowned as the financial district, housing the New York Stock Exchange and serving as a hub for major financial institutions. Question number 16. New Zealand is located in which continent? In the four options, Asia, Europe, Australia, South America. And the right one is option C, Australia. Australia, the nation, Papua New Guinea and New Zealand are the three independent nations that make up the Australian continent. Question number 17. Marco Polo International Airport is the name of an airport located in which major city? In the options, Istanbul, Tehran, Venice, Tokyo. And the right one is option C, Venice. Marco Polo Airport is the international airport of Venice, Italy. Question number 18. Meteorology is the study of? The options, rain, iron, winds, atmosphere science. And the right one is option D, atmosphere science. Meteorology is the scientific study of the atmosphere with emphasis on weather processes and forecasting. Question number 19. Which is the smallest unit of data? In the options, bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte. And the right one is option A, bit. A bit is a binary digit and it is the smallest unit of data on a computer. Question number 20. Bari Doab lies between which two rivers? In the options, Ravi and Chenab, Beas and Ravi, Sindh and Chenab, Sindh and Ravi. And the right one is option B, Beas and Ravi. Beas Doab, it is the area enclosed between Beas and Ravi rivers. Question number 21. Pakistan has a coastline of about dash kilometers. In the options, 1058 kilometers, 1100 kilometers, 1146 kilometers, 1184 kilometers. And the right one is option A, 1058 kilometers. The new length of the coastline of Pakistan is 1058 kilometers. Question number 22. Which sign indicates the multiplication? In the options, asterisk, caret, percent sign, forward slash. And the right one is option A, asterisk. Question number 23. Choose the correct analogy of dash, horse, board, train. In the options, stable, shoe, ride, mount. And the right one is option C, ride. Question number 24. Choose the correct analogy of junket. Junk, trash. In the options, trounce, trip, refuse, trinket. And the right one is option B, trip. Question number 25. Fall of East Pakistan was on. In the options, 16th December 1970, 16th December 1971, 20th December 1970, 20th December 1971. And the right one is option B, 16th December 1971.